If you store your social media assets inside the ImageKit DAM, and let's say you use a tool like Buffer to publish them on the web, we have made it really simple to use the assets that you have stored inside the DAM with Buffer. And then the way to do it is with the desktop app for DAM. We have made it available inside our docs. It's available to download for Mac and Windows. I already have it downloaded, so it appears in the taskbar like you see here at the top. And I can access all the content in my media library from this native app on my system now. And let's say if I now have to publish something on Buffer, I simply just have to go to the folder where my asset is located. I could have also searched for it and then just drag the asset onto Buffer and it starts uploading. Meanwhile, I can write my post and that's it. When the image upload finishes, I'm ready to post this content on my social media. And that is how you can actually use all your assets inside the ImageKit DAM using the DAM app with Buffer.